Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, let's do a little haul with some journal junk, perfume, and jewelry. Let's get into it. I will put timestamps for the 3 things we are doing down below, but we are going to start with Mint Mongoose, which is our jewelry subscription. Mint Mongoose is sent to me for review, but I don't have a link or a code. I'm going to show you right here on the screen what you get when you sign up for Mint Mongoose, because it's a really lovely jewelry subscription started by Helena. I wonder how she says that. When she had kids and wanted to be able to stay home, she started this, and each month she ties something that has happened in her life to what she's putting in our bags. That is this month. Let me get my glasses right here and see what it says. It looks like it's an hourglass, isn't it? Yes, it's an hourglass in the sand, perhaps. Time is a funny thing. Okay, so that's the inspiration for this month. You can choose silver, gold, rose gold. You can choose surprise me. You can get a necklace and earrings, a necklace and bracelet. Each month you will also get a Werther's original. You can choose all 3 if you want to do that. I choose a necklace and earrings. I didn't put any earrings on today, so we could just put these right on. I choose yellow gold because I'm more of a yellow gold person. I do wear some silver also because I do enjoy David Yurman jewelry also, and there is silver in that. This is sealed very well. This is so pretty. It's got the link here, and then over on the side, it's got a little kind of like an inlaid gold jewel look. Very pretty. I think as a rule, the necklaces go from about 16 inches to 20, depending on where you hook it. I just happen to wear a black shirt, so that worked perfectly. Very pretty. I like that a lot. I like how it's subtle, but it still has a little something going on. I like that a lot against my black shirt. It looks pretty. And then these are the earrings, and they match the link in the necklace. Very pretty. This is very much the type of earring that I like to wear. I like it to have some length because of my hair length. I like them to be a little long. I do sometimes wear short ones, but yeah, I love it when they're long and they have some dangle. So even if it's not something that you see a lot, just like when I turn my head, you get that sparkle or dangle. I like that. Those are super cute. I will link this down below. I love my gold choice. I love these. This is a very me month. Some of the months that have more pizzazz are things that I probably wouldn't buy. I have reached for those so many times when I've had an outfit that's had a little bit of blue in it or something, and I've wanted something to kind of play off of that. I've been able to reach for jewelry that I wouldn't necessarily have been in a store and been like, oh, hey, someday I bet I would really like this light blue dangly. And then when I have it, I'm so happy. So it's worked really well, but this is just plain gold, and I like that a lot too. So it is Mint Mongoose. I will link it below. It's just nice fun jewelry that I reach for a lot. Okay, next we are gonna do, this is Perfume Oil Expressions. And they reached out and they were like, hey, would you like to try our Perfume Oil Expressions? And I went over to their website, I read all about it, and immediately I was in, because there are so many perfumes that I like, and there are so many reasons not to use perfumes. Just getting back to what's in them or how they are tested. These came internationally from Australia, but I went over and I read about the site, and she said, let me send you 3. Go ahead and pick them out. I picked the 2 that I liked the most when reading about it, and I said to them, which I like to do this in a restaurant too. Yes, I'm that person. What do you recommend? Because I figured they know what they cook the best. I opened the box up. Oh, I have little peanuts. Oh, they're the squishy ones. These feel like, yep, these feel like the ones that are going to just melt underwater. And I have 3 boxes of perfume oils. I picked 2 of them. So I kept getting the USPS updates on my email, which I do, that were like, you have a post coming from Australia, Australian post. And I thought, I love that. So it's Perfume Oil Expressions. Let me turn that down so you can see it better. This is their box. They are 0.34 ounces or 10 mLs. We're gonna get into these. Let me tell you a little bit about them though. Oh, I should turn it back up. They are an Australian-based family-run brand that makes their own blends of premium perfume oil rollers inspired by niche and designer fragrances. They are for men and women, and it says, enjoy long-lasting luxury perfume oils from Australia. It says it embodies the essence of luxury. They aim to provide accessible luxury, ensuring that everyone can indulge in exquisite scents without breaking the bank. Each bottle of perfume oil is hand blended with affection, infused with artistic representations of cherished places, nostalgic moments, and intense emotions. And they are alcohol-free, cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, phthalate free, and free of substances of animal origin. So I love that very much. Okay, we'll pick the two, which happen to be the two on top, that I chose, and then we'll look at the one she chose for me. This is the Woodsy Santal, and I picked this because it is Le Labo, if you know about the Le Labo brand. It is Le Labo 33. Again, let me turn it down while this is up here so you can see it really nicely. That is what it looks like. Okay, let's go in. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. Wow, what am I gonna put on? Okay, we're gonna sniff them all and then I'll decide which one to put on. But smell, it smells so nice. Let me tell you about it and why I picked it. It is Woodsy Santal perfume inspired by Santal 33, which is from Le Labo. Dominant scent character, fresh, woody. Suitability, feminine and masculine. Breaking all the rules with its unique unisex profile of creamy Australian sandalwood and peppery cedarwood, unique in formulation and addictive by nature, perfectly rounded for any occasion or gender. The notes are cardamom, iris, violet, ambroxan, I'm not sure what that is, Australian sandalwood, papyrus, cedarwood, spices, leather, and musk. So it does. It absolutely smells unisex to me, but light enough that I would for sure wear it. The second one I chose is Forbidden Cherry because it is Lost Cherry from Tom Ford adjacent. That is what it is inspired by. But that is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my goodness. Okay, so far this is the one I'm putting on. They are doing a great job with the inspired by scents. This is so good. Okay, let me tell you about this one. This one says its dominant scent is fruity, spicy, sweet. It does have a little more sweet in it, and its suitability is feminine or masculine. So it says that it's good for men or women too. Is it though? Perhaps. I think of this one as a slightly more feminine scent than the other one. Forbidden Cherry is a captivating fragrance that conjures the mystery of a lush orchard filled with ripe cherries. Its sweet aroma hangs in the air, creating an alluring and complex scent that grows more intoxicating as it settles on the skin. The fragrance teases with warmth and sensuality, transporting you to a world of seduction. There's a hint of bitterness that keeps you intrigued, and a woody note to add depth. The notes in this one, top is cherry, strawberry, bitter sour. The middle is rose, jasmine, and plum. And the base is vanilla, musk, amber, and wood. One more time. Yeah, that's really good. So those are the two that I chose. The one that she chose for me is called Racing Heart. I'm gonna look that up online and we'll see. Oh, I'll sniff it first. I smell a lot of perfume, so we'll sniff it first and we'll see if I can get even close to what it is. Oh, that's very nice. She might know me better than I know me. This might be my favorite. What is that? I'm not sure. Okay, let's look it up. Okay, now I don't feel so bad about myself. I was afraid that when I looked it up, it was gonna be something incredibly obvious and I was gonna be embarrassed, but I don't know this perfume. It is Rolling in Love by Kilian, and it's a floral musky feminine. Racing Heart is a captivating fragrance that embodies the essence of profound and unconditional love. Its luxurious blend of soft and tender notes creates an alluring and passionate aura, evoking the feeling of being embraced by love's warmth. The top notes are ambrette, coffee, and almond. The middle notes are iris, orchid, and jasmine. And the base is amber, vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. So she absolutely nailed my personality. This is like me in a bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on since it's the one that she chose for me. And I've worn both of those perfumes they were inspired by before. So since I don't know anything about this one, we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. Tap, tap, tap. I know, I like to go, and then people yell at me. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely, I'll put more on. Not because I need it, just because I want to smell more like it. That is absolutely lovely. 100% feminine, much more feminine than what I chose with those. That is lovely. Oh my goodness. These are the three that I got. I chose top and bottom. They sent middle, and it is absolutely lovely. Rolling in Love by Killian is what it's inspired by. I don't think I've ever heard of that. I'm not even sure that I know Killian. That just smells so good. So fresh. It is such a nice scent. It really feels like it's gonna linger. So nice. I will link them below so you can go over and check them out and see what they have for inspired by fragrances and see if some of your favorites are there. This is lovely. Absolutely lovely. I love what she chose for me too. So that makes me want to say, go out and try something different. I went with what I knew, and don't get me wrong, I love them. Like, this is the Forbidden Cherry. I kind of want to put it on somewhere else. It would be too weird. Do you ever layer two different perfumes? Okay, I'm just gonna do just a skosh. I just did a skosh up there just so we can test it. Oh, that's so good. Oh, the cherry in that. I was right. I love that too. Oh my gosh. I love that. Okay. I will link them below. If you have any questions, let me know. And last, but the farthest from the least that it could be, we have September's Journal Junk Box. I love this box. I love writing things down. I love notebooks. I love the stickers that it comes with. Sometimes there's things in here that I have to, what's called tug of war. Tug of war with my girls over because they love this box too. It's just great for everyone. I like things in it. My mom likes things in it. What do we have? The kids like things in it. It's just perfect. So we have our paperwork right on top. We have our affirmation card that we get each month. I am present in this moment, appreciating the beauty that surrounds me. That is perfect for fall. As the leaves start to change, I can't wait. And then for September, we have Cozy Memories September. All right, let's give it a year, see what we got, because the August box rocks. Journal Junk Box, I will link below. And I will put my code Catherine Love, which will get you 15% off your first box. This is sent to me for review. Oh, it looks gorgeous and pumpkin-y. I am so excited. I'm so ready for fall. Are you ready for fall? I'm ready. I've been resistant to it, but I'm totally ready now. Boop, we have that too. Okay. We have to go with the right off the top because we've all seen the pumpkins and now we want to see more. It is a pumpkin spice tea towel. Are you excited? Have you had a pumpkin spice? I don't think I've had a pumpkin spice yet this season. I really, really wish they did the pumpkin spice and sugar-free because I'm really dialed in. I did some lab work for a little procedure I have coming up. We'll talk about that later. But, oh, look, it's the consequences of the choices I've made in life biting me in the biscuits. I'm having some blood sugar issues, so I'm really not eating sugar, so. Anyway, way off point. We're gonna open this up because I want to see what it says, and it's fall, so it's not like I'm not gonna use it right away. So pretty. What does it say? You guys can tell. I haven't looked yet. You are the pumpkin. What's the bottom say? To my spice. How stinking cute is that? That is so cute. I love it. It's going into my kitchen right away. This is perfect. I love the colors on it. I love the little saying on it. That is so cute. Okay, next we have, looks like stickers maybe, a roll of stickers. Is it washi tape? What is it? This is washi tape. That is cool because it looks like it's clear, you know, like it's gonna be transparent, but that the fall look on it, it's so fall-y, that's so cute, is going to come up like it's stickers on clear. That is very cool. Start a journal. Oh, this is really, it's somewhere between like just fall and kind of vintagey looking. I like that a lot. I like to use washi tape if I make cards or just in my journal when I have the girls over and they want to make things. It's always perfect for that. Next out, we have pins in a pin case. Very nice. I like the pin cases that we get periodically because we get the pins, and I like to keep the pins handy so that each season I can kind of go over to a new season appropriate pin. So this is what we have for fall, just kind of fall-like colors and flowers on them. Very, very pretty. I like those a lot, and they're just clicky pins. Love it. Next we have Golden Hues Journal Junk Tags Collection. Oh, they're little fall tags. Those are so cute. I'm gonna show you the front, which is actually, that's a tag, but the back picture shows you all 6 tag options you're gonna have in there. And they have the holes in them so you can take some twine, like I use baking twine sometimes if I'm doing something like this on craft paper. You can use twine if you have yarn, if you have ribbon. I have all of those things because I like to think I'm a crafter, although I don't craft very often. I do journal a lot, and you can then use these in your journal, or you can actually use them as tags, whatever your preference is. Fall Halloween Journal Junk Sticker Collection. So these are our stickers. I love how this fall look kind of has the look of vintage, not just fall. They are so, so pretty. This one says Spice Charm. That is so cute. Some nice mushrooms, because mushrooms are having a moment, aren't they, in design? Mushrooms are definitely having a moment. Make it happen. Oh, I just lost my light, so we're gonna persevere anyway. Honestly, it'll probably be easier to show the product. Though I look better with the light. Honestly, the product probably looks better without the light. It's better, right? I know. But it's usually all about me, guys. But anyway, lots of really cute stickers. You can put them, again, on your cards and your journals. I don't know if you can put them on your things that you wash or not. I've read that you have to have vinyl stickers, but I don't know how you know just from looking at it if it's a vinyl sticker. So, you know, for cups and stuff. Okay, next out, we have, I bet, a candle. Cranberry Mimosa. It is citrus, cranberry, champagne, musk, and praline, and it is 1.5 ounces. That is what it looks like. And that is what it looks like on the inside. It's got some nice glitter. That's fun. Oh, that smells so good. This makes me think Christmas more than it makes me think fall. I will probably be saving this. But it smells really, really good. I like that a lot. Next we have a paper pack, and these are the papers. You can make cards out of them. You can use them in any way you want when crafting. Paper is always handy. And these are fall designs. So pretty. I love the colors of that. I'm just gonna, oops, I was gonna flip through a couple, but oh, look how pretty that is. I love that. Wouldn't that be gorgeous wallpaper? Actual wallpaper. I don't, on your phone also. It could be pretty on your phone. Look, that one is writing. Can you see what it says? What does it say? Is this maybe a foreign language? I swear I can read. I'm old enough. I can read cursive, I promise, but I cannot tell what that says. But yay, I love using the papers. And last out, we have our Cozy Memories notebook. That's what it looks like up close. Very pretty, right? The back says Journal Junk. And when you get inside, it's just a nice lined notebook. I use these so much. I use them for everything. I feel like every month when I do this video, I start listing all of the things that I use it for because I love notebooks. I like to write things down. I like to write recipes down. I like to write my lists down for Christmas, for I'm a list maker. I am an avid list maker. It just makes me feel better if I write it down. And the notebooks that I get in Journal Junk, I just feel like it keeps me organized. That's probably a better way. I can take it from my brain and write it down, and I don't have to keep rethinking it because I know when I need that information again, I can just go get it. That is the fall Journal Junk box. I'm ready. I am so ready for fall. That tea towel is adorable. I am putting it immediately into my kitchen. Thank you guys so much for coming by for our little haulette today. We've got that really cute jewelry, which I will link below. The new perfumes. Oh, they're just, it's not even beginning to fade. Okay. Oh, I can smell the other one too. That's a tough call, picking a favorite. It's almost like they're different moods. This one is like if my husband and I are going out for a nice dinner and I just want something a little subtle. The other one is just a little bit more aggressive personality. Like, you know, you're hitting them all with your friends and you want to smell good, but you're going to be moving and shaking that kind of. I'm great at scents. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will link everything down below. I think it's fall now. We can probably go back upstairs with the dependable lighting. So have a great day, guys. Bye.